Now, this will show when and how to replace a product bag. The product bag should be replaced anytime the inventory screen is showing that the bag is low. It's an indication that the product in the bag is running low. Also, as you can see on this screen, in this reference we've got strawberry, banana, and mango are both showing low. If I go in to make a product, here's a mocha frappe. You can see mocha has a yellow border around the product icon. If I select mocha, it'll give me a low product warning. So this is my indication to check the product bag before I proceed with the drink. If I look into the cabinet in slot number 5, I found that the mocha product bag has been depleted. So it's time to replace this bag. So we'll take this one out and we'll put a full bag in place and reinsert it into the machine. This is the proper procedures for loading product into the tray. The important thing is to notice the nozzle goes on the downward facing side of the bag. So that's the side we want facing down. Alright, so we went through the steps of replacing the bag in the tray. Now we'll insert it into the machine back into slot number 5. We'll go back away from this screen back to our inventory screen. The main menu. Here is there mocha was showing as being low. We can touch the mocha selection. This will give us instructions on replacing the bag. This gives us all the instructions for taking the empty bag out of the unit. Hit the green check. Gives us the instructions for putting the new filled bag into the unit. Hit the green check. We're going to tell it to put a full bag in place, and we'll have to prime at least once. We'll want to hit the prime button and allow it to push any remaining air out of the line. Once I've got a good constant flow of product, you can hit the green check. The product's now showing full again. It's refreshed our expiration date of the product. Now if I go back over into my drink menu, you can see that now mocha has cleared the yellow border that it had around the icon. So now it would be ready to produce a new drink.